Okay, so the next topic, it will be falls on the food and beverage costing. Okay, food and beverage costing. Okay, costing adalah apa? What is costing? Talking about all is money. How do you count money and everything? Okay, so I'll show you this one. First of all, you need to know your monthly sales report. Ini yang paling penting, monthly sales report. Okay, a restaurant sales statement is also known as a restaurant's monthly sales report. Reflect that your restaurant's revenue and cost during specific period of the time. Basically, it functions as a bank statement of your restaurant. What is the purpose? To help you to track your business progress. Okay, untuk tolong you check in your business progress. Bagaimana you untung tak ataupun you rugi. But this one is called P&L. Okay, but my suggestions, okay, I just let you know. Nowadays dalam F&B line kita sudah modern. What we use POS system. Okay, it's like the computers. Everything actually when you click, all it will be right now. But this is one kind of manual hands-on key in. Why is the purpose? I always will break down. This is, you can see on top, kitchen, right? Then I will have what? I have one more P&L. Is my kitchen. Sama in a restaurant. Ada apa? Kitchen dengan barista. Very good. Drinks there. That's why we call it beverage. So I will have two P&L. One is kitchen, one is beverage. Why I need to separate it? Okay, later I will let you know. Purpose is to track. I can track the loss yang apa tu? Saya rugi. Di mana tempat saya rugi? Pada saat saya punya staff buang saya punya barang terlebih, makan saya punya benda, steal my things. This all. That's why I will purposely break into two. Why? I got in my kitchen, I got my head chef to help me to count. On my floor, barista there, drinks there, I have my manager also, floor manager. Their job task is to help me to do this one. Then only I will use this P&L to be dedicated with my POS system, the final P&L. Tengok betul tak? Okay. Monthly sales report. This is an example. Okay. You can see that. April total food sales. Saya punya food sales berapa? 5,000 lebih. Saya punya service charge berapa? 200 lebih. So this tambah sekali, add on together. This is my April sales, total sales. You can see that total sales. Okay. After this total sales here, I got what? Here. Boleh nampak tak? You can see no? Nampak berapa banyak kan? Okay. I got mine. Here is my balance stock. Why I need to count my balance stock? You don't know. Because why? In your kitchen, yang you order punya ingredient semua adalah duit. You need to understand it's money. So you need to add on together into your total cost here, your sales here together. Then you can see that total will be 7,000 plus over here. Okay. Then your total purchase also will need to put inside here. How much you buy? Okay. Cost of sales. This one. Then your balancing here. How much? Then 7,000. Yeah. Minus this one. You get 5,000. Your gross profit. Your profit. Baru untuk sini saja. 8 lebih saja. If you can see this P&L, actually ini mula adalah rugi ni. Nanti saya turun bawah yang paling bawah. Okay. So lepas tu, you can gross profit baru 800 lebih. Then di sini you sudah nak kira what? Your operation expenses, your gas, your rental, your electricity, all you will be counting over here. Then another example here. Dia akan potong-potong, nampak tak? Tambah. So actually, this one I really lost 8,000 lebih saya rugi. Kerana saya ni sales tak cukup. My sales baru 6,000 lebih. So that is a problem over here. So from here actually I should see on which part. Is it my sales is not good? Maybe I know my sales is not good. Okay. So maybe I need to check what my wastage. Adakah saya punya staff buang saya punya benda banyak rosak ke, mereka buang, mereka tak tahu simpan. So that is a very important part over here. I need to check my wastage. Then kedua, I need to check my purchasing. Nanti saya akan ajar lagi teliti. Sekarang you dengar dulu, you listen first. Then you will know what is the purpose. Kenapa saya mau tahu. Okay? So this is part of a P&L. Okay? Okay, then we come to here, costing. So in this costing actually is very important. Nowadays, a lot of chef, dalam bidang chef, they do not know how to count costing. Betul-betul, tak tahu macam mana nak kira costing. The best actually costing, most business want their food cost yang paling penting is below 30%. Food cost mesti mau 30 hingga 35%. Okay, macam mana kira nanti saya akan tunjuk. Okay, 30%. That means that dia untung 70. Dia untung 70. Okay, I show you an example now. Okay. Like I say, when you are learning with me for this one, format semua saya akan kasih you bagaimana nak kira costing. Okay. This all format you can see, my format all already been linked. Semua sudah link ni. Okay. Saya akan buat portion, saya akan buat local delight, nama punya dishes semua. Lepas tu dia akan link kepada sini. Semua tu. Okay. I slowly teach you one by one. For the first one, the most important is the PL. What is PL? We call it price list. Price list. Okay. So you akan developkan frozen food, apa-apa yang you suka, you boleh kategorikan ingredient you yang pakai ni. Okay, dia mesti mau kira by kilo ataupun by pieces ataupun by liter. Faham tak? So contoh you beli di luar, you buy from outside a fresh milk, maybe what's it called? Not fresh milk. Sorry. What is it called? Okay, maybe ketchup. Okay, ketchup itu dia kurang. Dia baru apa tu? How much ah? 750 ml. 750 ml. But the price is maybe 12 ringgit. But you must count into kilo first. That means you either is divide or you times. You understand not? Or in your price list must be kilo, count by kilo. You need to remember this one. Then over here, why I got 6 price list here? Do you know that? What is the purpose? When I key in, every time when I purchase, saya beli bahan daripada supermarket lah, supplier lah. When I brought the time, I will need to key in 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time. Why? Because I want to take this one, the average price. Apa maksud average price? Okay, contoh tengok sini saya letak RM7, 650, right? Okay, maybe next time when I buy, dia mahal RM1, RM8. Okay, then next one, 750. You can see you boleh tengok average price itu dia akan tukar. Nampak tak? Tadi berapa? 7, 1.13, betul tak? Then this one maybe go back again, or maybe another expensive again lah, RM9 lah. Then come back again, 8.50, cheap. So this is the average price. That means for this one French fries for 1 kg average price will be RM7.75. Okay, the purpose for what? Kenapa? Apa tujuan ni?
Nak tengok rugi ke untung kita nak jual apa.
Yang kita nak pakaikan harga tu yang paling sederhana yang in the middle. No matter the price is the supplier out of sudden tambah saya RM2, RM3, my cost also no issue. My costing inside still under 30 to 35%. This is what I want to ensure. You faham tak? Kalau you boleh faham, example, I give you an example. Today French fries dia jual saya RM9 1 kilo. Maybe my costing there, I'm just selling 30, maybe how much? Maybe RM1, RM2. Then out of sudden, because of this one net price sampai 12 1 kilo, but when I jual itu french fries RM5 tu, aku rugi. Saya akan rugi, betul tak? So I don't want this one. I want my cost in between 30 to 35. That's why I will do the average price di sini. You akan nampak ni. Ini yang paling penting. So every time when you purchase that time, you will keep on at 6 times is more than enough already. Every year 6 times. That's why supply pun tak akan naik sampai bagaimana dia, you faham tak? But we still want to find the average price. Very important. Because maybe sometimes you go this supermarket buy, sometimes you go another supermarket buy, or sometimes you are taking from a supplier. So each price also beza. Correct tak? Like you go Speed Double 9, 99 market dengan apa KK, mana yang murah? 99 sure will be much more cheaper than KK. This is important. Okay? Alright, then we come to this one. Okay, this is quite important over here. Okay, I just show you one thing. Okay. This is what? Curry chicken with rice. Curry chicken with rice, betul tak? Bagaimana saya nak kirakan satu costing yang paling tepat, paling true? You need to break down. Okay, I teach you this one. This recipe, this costing form is called plating form. Plating. Tahu apa maksud plating tak? Plating form adalah dia ada apa? Garnish. That means the last part you nak hidang that time. Ini panggil plating form. Ini pun adalah satu recipe, betul tak? Untuk you may staff ikut, for your staff to follow. But you will see that nasi kerabu and curry chicken, why I don't have recipe? Do you understand not? Why? Because this is final plating form. Saya ada lagi portion form. Portion yang costing form. Contoh daripada sini, ni boleh tengok. Nah, portion form. Contoh kalau tadi dia pakai nasi kerabu punya nasi contoh tadi dia punya tu curry chicken So over here, I already need to count the costing already. When I type this one, Thai Jasmine all this one already been format. Dia saya punya Excel semua sudah format dia. You just need to on the blue color here, you just type semua belakang ni akan keluar. So you kena buat ini dulu. You need to do your portion costing first. Apa panggil portion costing adalah you punya sebelum you nak pergi sampai final punya stage, before you have to go for your plating costing, you need to do your portion cost. Contoh this one, example, Thai Jasmine, I use 1.25 kg, water 1.87, lemongrass 3 pieces, everything I need to count. So on this one, after I done already, maybe this one is like what's it called? 200 grams. Okay, 200 contoh, I just give 200 grams. Okay, so if I 200 grams per pack, I got 12 packs on top here. Grams times 12. That means my actually this one my rice total cook is 2.4 kilo. Lepas saya masak, tapi saya pakai I use packs to kira, portion to kira, so I easy for me to when I'm doing my plating here. I use this one nasi kerabu by one portion. You want to put gram also no problem. Okay, you nak put letak gram pun tak apa ni. But I will prefer to put at packs, so I easy to count. So actually, my costing here, tengok bawah sini, adalah saya punya everything for one pack of my rice actually is only how much? 46 cents only. 46 cents only. So I see back here. Correct or not? 46 cents. This is my cost of my one portion of my rice. Okay, one portion of my rice. Okay. So if you have sauce or curry chicken, okay, because saya di sini saya tak ada letak, okay, no problem. Nampak tak? Saya pun breakdown. This is my recipe of my curry chicken costing. Ayam saya pakai, curry paste saya akan buat. Oh sorry, tengok curry paste pun belum buat lagi tau. Can you see that or not? So actually, if I want to do curry chicken that time, you just think untuk satu menu, tadi saya cakap yang satu dishes, curry chicken potato with rice. Rice I need to count already. Satu costing form. Curry chicken, sebelum saya nak buat curry chicken, saya kena buat curry paste. Satu costing form. Then after curry paste, baru saya akan buat curry chicken. Satu costing form. Kalau tadi saya tak silap, kalau saya punya ni curry chicken ayam tu, I got letak acak-acak, satu costing form lagi untuk acak-acak. So finalnya plating. So jumlah untuk satu punya resepi curry chicken with rice ada 5 costing. This is only correct. You need to break down. Tahu tak kenapa penting? Satu adalah standardized recipe. Standardized recipe. You tak mungkin, saya nak tanya, tak mungkin you cannot do in one costing form all of your final plating punya semua punya bahan ingredient list keluar. Tak boleh macam tu. You cannot be standardized. Why? Who knows that next time you want to open your own production kitchen, you nak buka outlet lain, you kena ada satu production kitchen to help you to do your production. So a standardized recipe is very important in costing, and especially my costing, inside my costing, don't forget all of my costing I already add in 15%. Saya dah tambah semua 15. So you fikir, tadi saya kata jumlah saya ada 5 punya costing 15. So actually, in my counting of my weight, your food cost you will not go higher than 40%. You will not go higher than 40%. You still be low. You masih untung 70%. Tapi yang paling penting, jangan buang, jangan wastage, jangan curi. Kena ingat, contoh sekarang saya kasih you. Okay. Now you listen I ask you back. You boleh kira tak nasi lemak ayam? Berapa costing? Ada? Sambal, nasi kena kira, betul? Ya. Ayam satu ke dua? Okay, sorry, saya cakap lah. Ayam rendang. Kuah dia, betul. So, dia dua. Right? Rendang you kena buat rendang paste. You need to do rendang paste. Then only you do how to cook your rendang. One more costing. Correct. Lagi? Ada tak? Nasi lemak, rendang ayam. Tadi sudah kata apa? Nasi kan? Nasi? Tak. Telur semua, acak, telur, cucumber, tomato, garnish, all is last already. You still got more sambal costing. The sambal costing. So roughly also 5 to 6 sekali dengan human final plating. Then only you can count the correct way. This all the format I already have now. Just one click, everything akan keluar. It's really easy. Then you can see the last part here, I will have a standard recipe. Nampak tak? Di sini sudah tak ada kira costing dah. Not like in front, you know. See in front here is all got price, correct now. Semua ada harga-harga punya. But this one is to chef ataupun human manager, you need to print out already. Print out and then you put in your recipe book. So this is the standard recipe. Forever your chef, your staff, your commis, your cook, your liner, they will be follow this recipe to do. So they will roughly know, once I cook everything come out, I can get 5 kg of rendang paste. So you inside here, you also need to know. Sometimes you need to state very clearly. Berapa lama you kena masak. Also you need to state clearly. Then everyone will follow. You can get the same amount. Understand? You sometimes tak sama. Example, I just give I already write here 5 kg, right? Maybe when he cook, or you cook that time, you get 4 kg. I cook that time, I get 5 kg. Why? Ingredient the same. Tapi kenapa? This is a tricky question. As a chef, you kena tahu lah. Kenapa? Why? Don't. I follow recipe. Recipe inside ask me to cook 2 hours. I follow. I can get 5 kg. But he overcook. He cook until 3 hours. Dia pakai masa lebih lah. So 5 kilo tak dapat lah. Dia kan kurang lah. Masa terlalu lama. Pace akan reduce mah. You faham tak? Like you cook stock sama juga. Brown stock you have learned before, right? Maybe 3 hours, 4 hours, you can get this amount later. But if you reduce some more longer hour until 8 hours, bahan akan reduce. So a standard recipe is very, very important. Okay? So at least now, you are not clear on the system, no issue. But at least in your mind, always remember, costing it will be 30 to 35% untuk kira costing. You kena tahu dulu. Then lastly, yang paling penting adalah apa? You sudah belajar portion cost, you kena tahu. Dalam satunya resepi, senang saja kan nampak nasi lemak rendang ayam. Banyak senangnya benda, tapi you nak kira, you want to count the costing on that time, you have to paper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. Understand? Okay? But one more thing, I will just let you know. Okay, you see an example of my sambal paste here, right? But why I don't put any selling price? Why? Kenapa saya tak letak selling price? The selling price, it will be into my final costing, final plating. Baru saya akan letak selling price. Kerana ini sambal paste, saya bukan jual kepada customer. Saya ada pakai untuk saya punya last year hidangan. So I will just take this normal price, RM3.90 for how many? For 1 kg. Okay, per kg cost. So only over here you can see. Example over here. Okay, nampak tak? Contoh macam rendang chicken. Rendang portion berapa ringgit, RM3.40 semua. Then last part only I sell RM17.90. My cost for 1 pack is RM4.93. Sekarang saya punya food cost berapa persen? Saya punya food cost berapa? Ha?
Per pack is it or
yeah, per pack over here my food cost is only 27.5 cents. 57. Which means I earn more money. More than 30% lah. Saya sudah untung 82%. 82% over here. I already earn. Nampak tak? Kalau jika contoh saya jual RM10, saya baru untung 49%. That means 50% ini. You faham tak? Rugi lah. Okay. Sometimes it depends on your business also. How much? What target audience? That means your target customer is low, medium, high range punya customer yang boleh untungnya. Contoh lah, rendang chicken ayam. Okay. Hotel berapa ringgit? Contoh, give me a price. Hotel, you go to hotel makan. 30, I think 33. My food cost baru RM14. 14%, 15% saja. You sudah untung berapa? 80 lebih persen. So food cost adalah banyak penting. That's why I tell you, banyak chef tak tahu. Mereka suka lamsam dalam satu. Tak boleh, dia tak boleh kira macam tu. Because why? You akan susah you punya staff. Your staff will not have the standard recipe yang tadi saya kata ni. Tak ada. Because dia semua campur dalam how not counting costing is not like that. Always remember, you have your portion, you have your sauce. You understand? A lot. Then only go to your final plating. Baru tepat. Okay? Boleh tak? Okay? Beverage punya costing pun sama. Okay, sama juga. Tapi beverage there, usually they will try to 15%. So actually in restaurants water, air, soft drinks or orange juice, whatever, coffee, is mostly the most expensive one. Yang paling untungnya. Okay? Air. Betul. You tak rasa meh? Tak perasan? You pergi restoran, you minum satu soda air, baru nak berapa? Maybe a what's it called? Blue pea tea with soda. Sprite satu tin. Berapa kita beli?
RM2.93.
Okay. Blue pea, dia pakai bunga saja, bancung saja. Dan dia 2 campur sekali, letak ais, satu straw. Dia jual you RM19. Betul tak? Dia untung banyak. That's why in water punya barista, the P&L is always the nice one. Every customer same thing lah. They come, they eat, they should order water. Water is the most lowest cost. That's why they can get higher percentage. Okay, selling price over here. Okay, this is one of the form. Okay, ini adalah satu untuk kira costing punya form juga. Tapi ini untuk kira apa? Kira wastage. Why wastage form is important? As you can see, it is important to run an efficient kitchen and beverage if you do not know how much product you have been worked with, how much wastage you've been. Are you out of something? Is your inventory disappearing? Ada benda hilang tak? Without keep track of your product, you will be unable to answer these questions. And chances you are losing money. You akan rugi, betul. To avoid this, use a wastage form to written it is to ensure why your product is being wasted a lot and to control it as well. Benar, kita kena ajar kita punya staff, tak payah risau. Saya bukan nak tolak you punya gaji. I'm not trying to accuse you of stealing my things or throwing my things, but at least that I want to know that my kitchen punya product, apa yang sudah rosak, apa yang sudah buang. Then only I will teach my staff how to control it back. So this report form very penting. You need to print out. Then let the staff, kalau letak dalam satu tempat, kalau ada wastage punya, please write inside. I need to know. Then you write already, then you will count lah the money. You will check back how much is the purchase price given to this. So you rugi berapa? Sometimes, ayah, chef. Example, very busy day, closing the time. Maybe 2 tong of sauce, black pepper sauce, mushroom sauce, put outside. Lupa untuk simpan chiller. Forget already to keep in chiller. Next day datang sudah rosak, basi. Smells unpleasant already, spoiled already. So what the staff do normally? Throw into basin, right? But you cannot throw in basin. You will need to put at the what's that called? Weighing skills. You kena kira balik berapa you sudah buang. Tak apa. At least that tracking, a part of the tracking. Okay, understand? Over here. This is the wastage report. Nampak tak? This one clear already. Okay. Date, then description apa supervisor ataupun head chef sign, witness by who? Comment. Item berapa, quality berapa, quantity berapa, amount berapa. Macam tu. Okay. This is also one of the form. Okay. Inter-transfer form. Apa itu bagi inter-transfer form? Okay, I make it easy. Inter-transfer form actually is like a form. Example, I usually will put this one for bar and also kitchen. Example, lemon di kitchen habis. No more already. You just walk outside, take the barista lemon. Can or not? Why cannot?
Because kita dah ada costing sendiri dekat barista.
Very good. We have also weekly purchase meal cost from bar there. Later I will show you. Okay, later I will also show you at bar there. So when I want to take this one that time, example, I'm the kitchen staff. I'm actually buying from the bar. I'm buying from the bar for 1 lemon. Then only my costing, my behind of my sales, my purchasing is correct. I cannot take their lemon without writing the form. If not, why? If not, they will be losing one lemon. Where is the lemon go through? Because why? Satu lemon mungkin dia potong slice. Dia satu lemon mungkin boleh serve 10 punya air lemon soda. Tapi kenapa sekarang saya baru serve 9? Lagi satu mana? Mana? Tak tahu. You get what I mean or not? That means my kitchen someone take it already. So I need to count nicely. So you need to practice. Kena ajar you punya staff. Ambil apa daripada you punya kitchen? Ambil apa daripada barista ataupun barista pergi kepada kitchen, ambil apa? Kena tulis dalam ini inter-transfer form. Okay? This is also one of the form is called staff meal form. Staff meal record. Kenapa you kena record? Many restaurants provide employee with free, but from this form you may track what items they have been ordered before passing to the supplier to ensure the budget is not overhead. Okay, you boleh kasih your staff free. Memang betul tak? You open the restaurants, we give our staff eat for free. Okay, but always remember they cannot order over, or they also cannot order how to say up to their wish. Can example, your staff you can let them eat what is it called? Abalone, seafood tiger prawn. Can your staff eat Can. Because you have many money, you are a good boss then you can Okay. For me cannot Normal prawn okay Normal fish, dory. Example fish, seka. Not first. Something much more lower budget meal. Just always remember you are giving your staff eating for free. They also cannot over your budget. Okay, bukan suka hati dia nak order, you kasih dia order apa. Dia pun kena jaga kita punya costing, our revenue. Okay, recipe costing adalah tadi yang saya ajar ya. Okay, nah plating costing. Okay, nah see purpose a recipe. Okay, I go back here. Recipe costing a recipe is calculating by same. Okay. Pace, remember a production from pace, portion to individual plating. Macam saya tadi ajar ni. I don't want to jump until here just now. I want you to refer back just now one. I teach one. Macam satu contoh lah. Sekarang saya bagi satu contoh. Chicken chop black pepper sauce. Serve with mashed potato and coleslaw. Berapa costing form saya ada? Black pepper sauce satu. Okay. Semua? Apa chicken?
Chicken chop.
Chicken chop. Macam mana? Okay apa? English. Yes, very good. Marination. Satu portion dah. 1, 2, 3. Lagi satu? Tadi saya apa? Apa salad dia pakai? What salad? Tadi saya kata coleslaw salad. Coleslaw you cut, you tak mungkin mah you serve 30 gram ya, you potong 1 kilo meh. You mesti potong 1 kilo. Correct not? A bunch mah, then only you count the costing mah. So coleslaw. Lastly only your semua punya lamsam plating. Your plating in one plate may dishes sent to the customer there. So this one here also not fine. Remember, always remember, kira costing adalah macam tu. Everything on this plate, remember, this plate when you serve to customer that time, all of inside here, you need to break down. Portion lah, sauce lah, paste lah, apa-apa kena. Kecuali last part yang plating, garnish, parsley you masak ke? Tak kan, betul tak? You just buy from the supplier then you just put garnish. Chili slice same also garnish. Tomato, cucumber same. You didn't cook. You just buy, you cut 1 slice, 2 slice, 3 slice. Then you really can count. Okay. Nah, tadi saya beritahu ni standard recipe yang you nampak tadi ni. Saya ni standard recipe. Okay. Yang method ni. Kenapa paling penting? A standard recipe ensure that a menu is made by one day, taste and look the same as one day made a few days, a week or even a month. year later. Faham tak apa maksud ni? That means no matter who cook, sesiapa yang masak, ikut standardized recipe, follow the standardized recipe, it will be the same taste coming out. Baru tak akan lari. Okay, kilang-kilang, tomato sauce lah, kimbo sauce lah, ada apa-apa kan, betul tak? Apa-apa punya sauce, berbagai-bagai semua sauce. Mereka ada standardized recipe tak? Mesti ada. Kalau tak ada, macam mana dia boleh? Hari ni you beli, you rasa itu tomato sauce, kenapa manis ni? Why so sweet? Next month you buy again. Why so sour? Masam? Ada? Pernah macam tu? Tak pernah kan? That's why standardized recipe is very, very important over here. Okay? Okay, then in our, okay,